Using YNAB as a beginner involves a few simple steps to help you take control of your finances and start budgeting effectively. Here's a concise guide. Set up your accounts. Add all your bank accounts, credit cards, and cash on hand to YNAB. Go to the account section and click Add Account to enter each account's details. Add your income. Record your income by entering it into the appropriate account. Categorize this income as to be budgeted. Create budget categories. Set up categories that reflect your spending needs, such as rent, groceries, utilities, dining out, and savings. Group similar expenses together for easier tracking. Allocate funds. Distribute your available funds to your budget categories. Focus on covering immediate obligations first, like rent and utilities, before assigning money to discretionary spending and savings. Record transactions. Enter every expense and income transaction as they occur. This keeps your budget up to date and accurate. Assign each transaction to the relevant category. Track your spending. Regularly review your spending in each category to ensure you're staying within your budget. Adjust allocations if necessary. Budget for credit card payments. If you use credit cards, budget for payments to ensure you're not carrying a balance. Categorize purchases as usual and make sure to allocate funds for paying off the credit card. Reconcile accounts. Frequently reconcile your accounts by matching YNAB's records with your bank statements to catch any discrepancies. Use reports. Utilize YNAB's built-in reports to analyze your spending patterns, track progress towards financial goals, and make informed adjustments.